Hi there, here's a tune I'm sure you will enjoy playing. It's called Trumpet Hornpipe. It will also help you to improve your tuning. I'll play it to you. Listen out for the fanfare patterns. I'll play it again, and this time you might like to join in with just the fanfare patterns. They come on the open D and the open A. And look out for the 3 Ds at the end, you could join in with those. And I'll play it a little bit more slowly. I'll count 4 beats in, make sure you're standing well with your best bow hold. Bow on D after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those fanfare patterns. We'll start with the one on D, we'll put it on a loop and keep repeating it. Join in as soon as you can. Look out, we'll change to A. Back to D. Last one. You might like to stop the video there and continue practicing those patterns on your own. Well done if you can play them now, because you can play half the tune already. Let's think about the bits in between. It'll really help you if you know your D major and A major arpeggios. Here's the D major arpeggio. D, second finger F sharp, A, and D, third finger on the A, and backwards. This time, so we start with D, D, 2 F sharp, A, 3 D, and backwards. Let's try it a bit quicker, and also with a double D at the beginning, like this. Join in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. Let's try that on the A string now. Exactly the same pattern using A and E string as well. So bow on A, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, you might like to stop the video there and carry on practicing your arpeggios of D and A. And now for the last little section. For this, we need the scale of D major descending and a little link note, B, on the A string, like this. Join in this time, so I'm starting with a B, going straight to a D, and down the D major scale. Join in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. One more time. And now we should be ready to join all those sections together. Let's give it a go. Still quite slowly at this stage. I'll count us in from the beginning, and we're going to start with the fanfare on D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arpeggio. A fanfare. Arpeggio of A. Back to D. more, just a tiny fraction faster. Are you ready? Bow on D, standing well, best bow hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you enjoyed learning that little tune. I certainly did. Well done.